good evening from my local time of this side of the world. I'm speaking from Nigeria. I just want to talk briefly about this particular trade EURUSD that I took on September 12th. You can verify this information on your chart TradingView. So you see, I told you that what I teach or what I always analyze, I will say is the best way, especially if you are a confluence trader, or if you are looking for confluence, like 2 to 3 confluence for taking of your trade. So I will tell you that I'm the right person to follow if you are looking for that kind of trade. And believe me, if you trade in this pattern, it will be, in fact, your losses will be minimal and your profit will be higher than your losses. It's not like you are not going to make losses. Definitely you make losses, but it will be minimal. So let me not talk much. Let me go straight to this analysis here. Currently I have trade running on this profit. So this you can see my target. That is about 71 pips. So now, well, believe me, this market is still going higher than this, but this is my target for now. Okay, if this is for our chart, if you look at this is my trend line for our chart. Trend line, first touch, second, third, fourth, you can see. And if you look at where this fourth touch happened, this was yesterday CPI news. Actually, I made money from this. That is before the CPI came out. As in, let's say maybe 5 minutes to the CPI, I took my position on this EURUSD, and I caught this move from here up to this place. That yesterday, yeah, I caught it. So how did I do that? This fair value gap for our chart. I told you, okay, I will talk about this on another video, but now I keep it to myself. You see, that is a fair value gap. You can see that touch of that trend line, that is the fourth touch of that trend line, is a fair value gap. The price came down into that fair value gap before bouncing up, even though despite that yesterday was CPI. Now if you take your fib again, your Fibonacci, the way I trade my Fibonacci is different. I've not seen anybody talked about it the way I trade it, so let me say it's my own personal discovery. Look at it. If you look at it now, from the last touch of that trend line, which is the last lower high, down to lower high, then down up to the last higher high. If you look at it now, you see that this is your 50% of the fib. This, normally people use 61 or 62, but me, I use 63% retracement and 77% retracement. So you can see that. You can see 63, 70 ahead, and look at it, how perfect it look like. Look at it. Look at how perfect. Price came down, touched the fair value gap, 77%, then move up. Now today again, price came back to that to touch the 50% level, and price is pulling away again. And that place is that touch of that support and 50% level is also another fair value, another confirmation. So if you trade this way, believe me, it will be less for you to have losses. Let me remove a hair. I've removed it. Now today's trade, if you look at it now, price has bounced off from this trend line, trade away. Then we have a daily support level here. Now a daily support level. My additional confirmation on that now is this. Let me take my rectangle. Look at it. If you look at this now, so this is a fair value gap. I told you I am an ICT trader. So ICT is my mentor. I learned from him. If you look at that, if you look at it now, you can see perfectly. What did you see? Price touching that fair value gap, which is the gap that was created as due to yesterday's news, which is CPI. Price came back today into it, then price bounce off. So you can see now I have 3 confirmation to tell me that this market is going my direction. Number one is a bounce from trend line, price closing trading above a major support level, which is the daily time frame, and price testing it, okay, price retesting it with a fair value gap in it. So it was easy for me to take the trade without thinking twice, okay. Yeah, very very easy for me to take it without thinking twice. So you can see now the daily time frame, the daily time frame. Now you can see where price is trading, and you can see that this market is actually ready, or let me say yes, ready to go up. Even next week I'm expecting further upside movement on Euro USD. Okay, so that will be all for now. If you want to learn forex trading, you want me to teach you forex trading, you can check on me, or you can chat me up. So I'm available for you, but for disclaimer, it's not for free. You pay, because the information I will give to you is something that will change your life, your financial state, everything. So it's not for free. So before I came out today talking about this or doing my analysis and posting it online with confidence, it's not something that starts in a day. I have been into this trade into the forest industry for the past 2 years of being a failure, complete failure. I wasn't making withdrawal, but I was making deposit on my broker, but I wasn't making withdrawal. But today now I'm good at what I do, so that's why I can boldly come out to post this kind of things. And if you are willing, or you are ready to, if you are a risk taker, so I'm available for you. I'm ready to download all the information I have about this market for you. So I learned from ICT is over 30 years in the trading industry. Then there is another man, a YouTuber again, not name, and Naya Fuller. That one too is about 20 years, and many more, 30, 20 something years experience. So I leverage on their experience currently, let me say, within this year, and the result has been wonderful for me. Yeah, so that is that for now. Thank you for watching. You are welcome. Subscribe, like, invite your friends to come and join. You want me to teach you trading, I'm available also at the same time. Okay, thank you.